Musta po kayong lahat? Andito na naman po si Coach BLG para ibahagi sa inyo ang ating napakagandang negosyo na patok ngayon sa buong Pilipinas dahil ngayon pa lang po ito nag-uumpisa. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali at magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga tao sa ang sulok man sa buong mundo. At ay gusto ko po sana na makinig po kayo ng maayos sa pagbabahagi ko ng negosyong ito kasi napaka-importante po talaga na malaman nyo na ito po ay karapat-dapat para sa inyo. Lalong-lalo na po na gusto nating matupad yung pangarap natin sa ating mga pamilya na magkaroon ng magandang buhay, no, na kumita at makapag-travel. At madala natin sila sa buong Pilipinas, iikot tayo, at of course, pati sa ibang bansa na rin. Okay? So, gusto ko po kayong makinig ng mabuti sa ibabahagi ko sa inyo, okay? And hayaan niyo po muna akong i-share ko ang aking screen. So, ayan na po, nakita niyo na po yung screen ko. So, ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ay ang MWR Life or Making Wishes Real Life na tambal ang travel advantage. So, paano nga ba gawin ang negosyong ito? So, papakita ko po sa inyo isa-isa yung slides ko. Okay, the world is changing. Technology innovation, disruptive technology. So nakita nyo naman po dito, may TikTok, may Facebook, may Netflix, Airbnb, Alibaba.com, Grab. So ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ni Travel Advantage? Okay? Si Travel Advantage ay i-explain ko sa inyo mamaya. That's why today people have access to movies, music, online shop, meetings, katulad ng Zoom meeting, Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, at marami pang iba na mga digital applications na kung saan ginagamit ng mga tao para sa mga uh, enjoyment, no? Para malibang yung sarili nyo or ano pang gusto nyo, manood ng palabas, ng movies, makinig ng music, no? Ang tanong kasi, so ito kasing mga applications na to, mostly ginagamit ng tao, hindi ka kasi kumikita dyan. Tama? So babahagi ko po sa inyo ang travel advantage. What about the travel lifestyle? So ano nga ba ang meron dito? Okay. So itong mga taong ito po yung mga tao na may resulta na sa kumpanyang ito. Sila po ay mga asa presidential's club na po sila. Meaning, kumita na po sila ng milyon dito sa kumpanyang ito. So katulad ni Yan Piberat, meron na siyang 24,000 US dollar in savings. So katulad ni Gladys Onconmode, took her mother to her dream destination in Santorini. So pinapangarap ko din po yan. Maria Angela Macheda, traveling with family worldwide. At si Marie Picard, traveling with family worldwide. So sila po yung mga tao na naranasan na po kung gaano ka sarap ang buhay ng pagiging lifestyle ambassador. Ito po, ito yung a chance for you to travel more through an innovative way. So ito na yung pagkakataon guys na makapag-travel ka sa buong mundo, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas. Nakita niyo po dito yung mga taong ito, halos po ay mga European po siya. Bakit po? Kasi nagsimula po siya sa Europe. Okay? Yan. So dito makikita nyo yung mga applications na ginagamit ng tao, katulad ng Zoom, Netflix, Spotify, Amazon. Pero ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba? Benefit from membership model empowering the travel through Travel Advantage. Okay? So meron po tayong ETOA, Victorious Team, IATA, at South France, Trustpilot. Sa Trustpilot po, meron pa tayong 4.8 um, ratings, no? Na out of 5. I mean, so ito ibabahagi ko po sa inyo, no, ang ating Trustpilot. Okay. So dito papakita ko po sa inyo yung Trustpilot. Okay. Trustpilot. Okay. TRU. Ayan. So sorry at hindi po pala siya naka-prepare. Pero makikita nyo po dyan kung gaano ka tindi, no, yung ating negosyo. Ayan. So makikita nyo po dito na sa Travel Advantage, meron po tayong 899 excellence, 4.8 out of 5 verified company. Okay? So yan po ang isa sa patunay na ang kumpanyang ito po ay napakagaling at napakaganda na dapat niyong bigyan ng pansin. Okay? 4.8. Sa 5-star, 94% na po yan. Almost 100%. At magiging 5-star na po tayo soon. Kasi napansin nyo po, 800 pa lang yan. Marami pang members na hindi po gumagawa pa ng review. Pwede kang mag-write review dito. So, ito lang pong umpisa na to. Basahin ko po yung karanasan ng isang tao kung bakit nag-post po siya dito ng review, no? Tungkol po sa travel advantage na ating negosyo. At ito po ay date of experience na po, October 14, 2023. Latest this month lang po yan. Okay? So, from Andrea Berisa. So, 5-star talaga ang nilagay niya. You see, 2 days ago po yan. Amazing concept for travelers with addition of exploring this planet. The best travel company after my 14 years travel experience through Booking. It is amazing to have this passion for exploring the world and get cashback and travel credits like in Travel Advantage platform. I love how much complete is this platform because I do not waste my time anymore. I have just found something perfect where all my travel needs are covered: accommodation, flights, duty-free, cruises, transportation, festival tickets, activities, travel insurance, a visa system. It is literally amazing. But the best part of is the concept of savings. So in 5 months, I booked 5 hotels, 4 flights, and 2 predefined and very negotiated vacations. So more fun, much more travel, savings, and relationship through this insane concept of travel advantage. So, marami pa po yan sa baba na mga positive comments po tungkol sa ating company. So, very clear po na meron po tayong highest ratings, no, sa Trustpilot. Okay? So, continue po tayo. Okay, ayan na po. So, pag naging membro ka dito, most especially naging elite member ka po, no, meron ka pong access, no, for all you need, your travel needs. You will have access po sa hotels, lifestyle mall, bundles, activities, flights, cruises, transfers, vacation rentals, car rental, resorts, life experiences, and flash deal. So lahat po ito ay makikita nyo po sa loob ng Travel Advantage. Okay? Makikita nyo po. So, eto po siya. Papakita ko po sa inyo. Okay? So, ayan po siya. So, eto po yung Travel Advantage platform namin. Okay? So, yan po siya. So, naka-prepare lang po yan para mamaya i-explain ko po sa inyo yung bookings ko. Benefit from an EI tool that does all the work for you. Artificial intelligence, who did the search, compare, suggest, and rewards for example, Dubai, 5 days vacation. So, the public price of this is 1,187 US dollar. Travel advantage, you're going to pay only 409 US dollar. You can see it here. And you have 778 US dollar in savings. Comparison made with www.booking.com at September 3, 2023 at 1824 wet time zone in European time po yan. So makikita nyo po yung pagkakaiba ng savings mo. Sobrang laki po ng pagkakaiba. While sa booking, wala po siyang discount. Okay? So what about the Cancun Eye? Ito po ay sa Mexico. So makikita nyo po dito, ang public price niya po ay 3,338. Pero sa Travel Advantage, ang laki ng discount, ang babayaran mo po ay 1,538 only. Nakasave ka po ng 1,800 in savings. Okay? So comparison nung September 3 pa rin, no? Last month, 23,1800 ng European time. Makikita nyo po dito na sa booking.com wala pong discount. So, sobrang laki po ng madi-discount mo dito. Okay? So, loyalty points, pag-usapan natin. Pag nag-avail ka ng Plus package, so meron kang 60 loyalty points. Pag nag-avail ka man ng Elite, meron kang 120 loyalty points. So, kung nagbayad ka man, yun pa ring pera mo, yung ibang pera mo, pumasok din po sa loob ng Travel Advantage account mo. So, 1 loyalty points equivalent to 1 US dollar po. So, ito pong loyalty points ito, pera po ito na pambayad ng bookings natin at hindi po yan nawi-withdraw. Okay? So, lifestyle mall naman po for less. Dito sa lifestyle mall natin, so, ito sa Travel Advantage, merong travel credit, no, nare-receive, meron din loyalty points. So, pwede din po itong pangbayad sa shopping mall natin. Kasi sa shopping mall natin, meron po tayong lifestyle mall na 100,000 plus exclusive product, no? Nakita nyo po yung iba-ibang mga brand dito sa harapan ninyo, no? Mga branded po yan at galing po yan ng France. So, 100 plus thousand exclusive products po yan sa apparel, shoes, bags, accessories, jewelry, beauty, travel bags, electronics, luxe specials for women, men, and children po yan. Okay? So sa life experience and deluxe life experience, so makikita nyo po dyan, no, na ang mga leaders ay meron na po mga iba-ibang karanasan na nag-travel na po sila worldwide sa iba-ibang mga bansa at nagkaroon po talaga silang ng ganong klaseng lifestyle. Napakaganda po ng buhay ng mga leaders dito na mga active ngayon. Most especially sa Europe countries po yan at sa USA. So ito po, nangyari na po ito sa ibang leaders, no, sa New York, USA, Deluxe Life Experience, no, last July po ito, 2 to 3. So ibig sabihin, 3 days po yan, 2023. Latest lang po yan. So, the Crown Plaza Times Square Hotel Welcome Party 4th of July Fireworks Cruise. Instead of 799 per person with breakfast, ibabayad mo po yung 400 loyalty points mo, dito ibabawas, ang babayaran mo na lang po dyan ay 399 US dollar. Ganun po siya, kalaki ang madi-discount mo. Okay? So what about the Malta? Itong Malta po, ito po ay this coming October 27 to 30, 2023, DB San Antonio Hotel Plus Spa all-inclusive, kasama na po lahat, no? 275 US dollar per person all-inclusive. Ibabawas nyo po yung 125 loyalty points. Ang babayaran nyo na lang po ay 150 US dollar. Can you imagine for how many days na po yan? Okay? So, 3 araw na po yan. So, dito po, ganyan po kaganda yung pupuntahan nyo, yung nasa litratong ito po. So what about in Hokkaido? So ayan sa Hokkaido po, no, out of 999 US dollar, ibabawas niyo po yung 400 loyalty points, magiging 599 US dollar na lang babayaran mo. So sa Maldives naman ganun pa rin po, no? Same price lang po sila, pero ang laki po talaga ng madi-discount mo. So Cairo, Egypt, so ganun din po, no? From 579, ibabawas yung 200 loyalty points. So 379 US dollar na lang babayaran mo. So life experience in Phuket, Thailand. Ang mura po. So dito po sa Phuket, Thailand, no, meron pong challenge yung apply natin na kapag nakapag-invite po tayo ng at least 12 people, at that time tayo po ay gold rank na. Okay? Pag nakapag-invite tayo ng at least 12 people, so we are qualified to go to Thailand for 1 week or 7 days vacation, free ticket, and free hotel na po yan. So, we're going to have training and vacation only and have fun. And we will make moments turns into memories together with the leaders to meet there in Thailand. And we will go on a cruise in Thailand. Okay. Your exclusive access to an invitation only. Travel and lifestyle community. Ito na yung sinasabi natin. Once we become a member po dito, no? Depende po yun. May choices po kayo kung it's either you will just be a member or gusto mo pong mag-build ng team mo and to have a huge community here. So, ang gagawin nyo po, syempre, duplication. Tuturuan nyo po yung may invite nyo dito. Okay? So, for your savings on your travel needs, you will have that. And then, also this, member benefits from loyalty points and travel credits. At saka, dito mo mararanasan ang life experiences and deluxe life experiences. So, makikita nyo sa mga members dito na sobrang ganda na po ng buhay nila. Okay? So, biggest opportunities. So, i-compare po natin yung mga kinikita ng mga produktong ito. Like for nutrition, kumita na po ng 11.5 billion US dollar, cosmetics 262 billion US dollar, ang cinema 90 billion US dollar, coffee 495 billion US dollar. What about the travel? So here, those I had mentioned, no, yung mga nabanggit ko po, billion lang po ang kinita. Samantalang ang travel po, kumita na po siya ng 8.8 trillion US dollar. So ano anong gusto mo? So mas hahanapin mo yung isang negosyo na malaki ang kikitain. Tama? So anong pagkakaiba ng traditional sa new era business mo ngayon? So traditional kasi guys, naranasan ko po kasi ito sa sarili ko. Sobrang nakita po ang perang nagastos ko sa traditional dito, no? Magre-rent ka pa ng upa, hire ka pa ng mga tao, sasahuran mo pa sila, maghahanap ka pa ng IT para magkaroon ka ng website or para i-ads mo pa siya. So ang dami pang pera na ilalabas mo. Ang dami po pang sakit sa ulo na kung anong dapat mong gawin. Okay? Para lang magkaroon ka ng traditional na negosyo. Unlike sa travel advantage, new business era mo ngayon, magjo-join ka lang naman, magkakaroon ka ng platform online, yun lang po. And you can share this business to many people as much and to earn them no as much as you can or they can, right? So yun ang pagkakaiba nun. So here I'm showing you the founder, Mr. Yone Asherov of MWR Life. Ito, one member since 2023, founded in 2013. So, we are already at 10 years of this company, no? 10 taon na po tayo. And this is started in United States of America way back 2013 at dumating po siya sa Europe, sa France, ng 2017. And recently, operational po siya sa iba-ibang bansa. We have offices in Hong Kong, US, France, and UK. Over 400,000 members worldwide na po yan ngayon, disrupting the travel industry. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung ITOWA member since 2023. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung ITOWA? Ayan po yung ITOWA. Okay? So, ayan po yung ITOWA. Babasahin ko po sa inyo. Okay? So, European Tourism Association or Europe Tour Operator Association. Okay? So, here, we're going to read what is the meaning. The Trade Association for Better Tourism in Europe. ITOWA is a member-driven community of over 1,100 organizations, from global brands to independent small businesses, DMOs, industry partners, and technical specialists supported by our supplier members and partners. We work on behalf of tour operators, wholesalers, destination management companies, and agents to enable a sustainable business environment in which European tourism can thrive and grow. We design and deliver only and face-to-face events for members and partners, driven by our sophisticated appointment matching system. We lobby on behalf of our member and participate in public-private projects at EU, national and local levels, capitalizing on our wide network among origin and destination markets. So you can see here, collaborate with ETHOA. You can learn more here, okay? Find out how to get involved with ETHOA, expand your network, and make your voice heard. So we have the networking opportunities, discover our range of commercial and social networking events online and in person. Operating in Europe, up-to-date information about operational and regulatory changes impacting your business. And we have last insight research and webinars, discover up-to-date research, webinar recordings, actionable insights and opinion pieces on relevant topics. Okay, that is the ETHOA. Okay? So next, so once you become a member here, no, pag naging member ka, so meron ka pong dashboard. Okay, meron ka pong account. So ito po yung account mo, no? You will have a biz center, personalized website, back office plus business application, marketing material, tools plus reporting, $50 enrollment, 99 annual renewal. So, meron po tayong annual renewal. Okay? So, ito pong annual renewal. So, isi-share ko po sa inyo. Just hold on for a second. So, gusto ko pong malaman sa inyo na meron po tayong lisensya, no? Sa pag-operate po yan ng ating negosyo. So, babasahin ko po sa inyo guys, no? Ano nga ba yung 99 US dollar na binabayaran natin. Kasi syempre magtatanong po kayo, bakit tayo nagbabayad ng 99 US dollar na annual po, no? Kasi nga po, ito po ay, wait lang po ha, babasahin po natin yan. So hold on po kasi babasahin ko po yan. Ito nga po pala. Ayan. So anyway, i-shortcut ko na lang po yung 99 US dollar na annual renewal. Yun po ay 1 year na po yun na lisensya mo na para magkaroon ka ng isang negosyo na pwede mo pong gawin yan sa buong mundo. Okay? Get it on Google Play and you can have it download on the Apple Store. So dito po makikita nyo, ito po yung dashboard nyo. Pag naging member po kayo, makikita nyo po dyan yung membership, opportunity company social. Kikita nyo po yung dashboard nyo dyan, reports, marketing. So, kikita nyo po yung mga guest passes mo na pwede mong ibigay sa tao kahit hindi pa member para makita po yung ano yung nasa loob ng Life Advantage natin, life experiences, tokens, store profile. So, dito makikita nyo din po yung status nyo, and then qualified enrollment team, qualified DOA team, enrollment team points nyo po sa left and right, current level or yung ranko mo, current balance yung pera mo, and then how many percentage ka na lang na para mag-rank up, okay, to the next level. So, pag-uusapan po natin yung pera. Paano nga po pala ang kitaan dito sa negosyong ito? Marami po tayo na talagang bago po natin gawin yung isang negosyo, kailangan malaman po natin paano po tayo kumita dito. No? So, dito, Lifestyle Ambassador MWR Life Compensation Plan. Okay. Dito po, no, ito pinapakita lang po dito ay dalawang package lang. No, we focus on the elite. So yung elite po ngayon 239 US dollar plus yung 99 na pang 1 year na license mo to operate, no. Yun po yung babayaran nyo po. At ito po yung mga benefits na matatanggap mo. Pag naman sa plus ka lang, no, yan pong plus ay 119 19 US dollar po yan. Okay? So pag-usapan naman natin yung 8 kitaan, 8 ways to earn, 8 different bonuses. From member bonus, kikita ka ng 30 to 40 US dollar. From fast start bonus, kikita ka ng 50 to 450,000 450 US dollar. From boss bonus, kikita ng 600 to 1,200 US dollar. From builder bonus, kikita ka ng 5 to 150 US dollar. From member residual, kikita ka ng 10 to 25%. Yun po yung leverage mo. Then, from dual team residuals, kikita ka ng 60 to 400,000 US dollar. From match bonus, kikita ka naman ng 12 to 50%. And then, sa last is rank achievement bonus. Kikita ka ng 22, 500,000 US dollar. Ito naman yung residual mo. Ito po yung kikitain ng isang miyembro dito sa kumpanyang ito. So, pag-usapan natin yung una, yun yung member bonus. Kapag nakapag-invite ka ng isang tao na plus, automatic, meron ka pong earnings na 30 US dollar per head. Kapag naman nakapag-invite ka ng elite, meron ka din pong $40 US dollar per head. So, pangalawa, yung fast start bonus naman, ano nga ba yun? Bibigyan ka ng challenge ni company, magaling ka bang mag-invite? So, meron ka bang taong maipapasok? So, kailangan po within 14 days, makapag-invite ka ng 2 tao, no? At kikita ka po ng 150 US dollar plus yung direct referral or personally sponsored na 40 US dollar per head. So, ang kikitain nyo po dyan ay 150 US dollar plus 80. So, that is 230 US dollar. So, magkano nga po pala sa peso ang kikitain ko kapag nakapag-invite ako ng 2 tao po, ang kikitain ko po dyan, 12,880 pesos po. Sa 2 tao lang po yun na elite na nag-join, okay? Or pangalawang pagsubok sa kumpanyang ito. Second challenge. Or you can do it in 7 days and have 2 resets. For example, nakapag-invite ka ng 2 tao within 7 days, kikita ko po ng $150 plus member bonus, fast start bonus, no? All in all, 230 US dollar. Okay? So, pangalawa naman, nakapag-invite ka naman ngayon ng 2 tao, kikita ka pa rin ng 150 US dollar, no? Kikita ka from member bonus, yung direct, no? Na 40 per head, fast start bonus mo, no? Yun nga yung 40 per head, no? And then builder bonus mo, and then rank achievement bonus. Ito yung fast start mo, 150. So sa third naman, third week mo, ito yung pang 21 days mo na. Kapag naka-invite ka ulit ng 2 tao, no, meron kang member bonus, fast start bonus, silver builder bonus, silver team $4 per day, then daily, may earnings ka na pong daily doon, no, na $4 per day, and then kikita ka na po ng $120 per month. Okay, sa 6 na invites. Actually, 3 invites lang po yun. Kaso lang challenge ay 6 po. Okay? So, 6 lang po yan. So, nakapag-invite ka ngayon ng 12 katao. Pangatlo, boss bonus po ito, no? Once you become gold or above, no, you can win boss bonuses every week. So, pag gold level ka po, meron ka pong invite dyan na at least 12 katao. Pag nagawa nyo po yan, no, kikita po kayo ng $600 per week, no? At ang tanong ang tanong sa akin lang ba, ako lang ba ang dapat nang mag-invite? Hindi po 'yan. Hindi po, it doesn't matter. So it's either ikaw po yung nakapag-invite sa tao or yung team mo po ang nakapag-invite sa tao. So ang gagawin mo po doon sa 12 invites mo as gold level, gold rank, you will do the duplication para at least makapag-invite po ikaw at yung team mo ng 6 na tao per week. Kapag nagawa mo po yun, kikita ka po ng $600 US dollar. So, pag nagawa mo po yun within 1 month ng 4 na beses, no, every week, magawa mo po yun. So, may kikitain ka po dito na 2,400 US dollar plus yung monthly residual income ng isang gold rank, no, na 300 US dollar. So, kikita ka po dito ng 2,700 US dollar. Magkano po yan sa peso? Ita-times lang po natin yan sa peso. Kikita ka po ng 153,900 pesos po per month. Sa 12 directs lang po yan, ha, na i-duplicate mo. Yun po ang kikitain mo. Again, 153,900 pesos per month as gold level, 12 directs. So what about the platinum level? Ito naman po ay 40 directs, 20 people on your left side, 20 people on your right side. So kapag ikaw at team mo, naka-invite kayo ng 12 people every week, may kikitain ka pong 1,200 per week. So magkano ang possible na kikitain mo po sa isang buwan na ganon? Ang halaga, ang amount, kikita ka po ng 4,800 US dollar plus po yung monthly residual income ng isang platinum ay 600 US dollar. Kikita ka po ng 5,400 US dollar per month as platinum rank. Okay, magkano po yan sa piso? Kikita ka po ng 307,800 per month. Doon sa 40 directs na dinuplicate mo, yun po ang kikitain mo. Again, 307,800 pesos per month. Kikitain ng isang platinum. Okay? Sa 40 directs. Voyage trip, let's talk about the builder bonus. Ito ang gustong-gusto ko yung builder bonus kasi kapag nasa highest rank ka na po, kikita ka po sa lower level kasi ito yung spillover. Okay? So for example, itong spillover, ito gustong-gusto ko po ito. Okay? Sa itong part na builder bonus. Okay? So makita nyo po dyan, teamworks makes the dream works. Makikita nyo, hindi lang sa direct referral, no? Pati po sa ranking. No? At saka sa mga tao na kumikilos sa ilalim mo, and then ikaw ito, example, Black Royal ka na, so lahat ng may pumapasok na bronze, kikita ka 10 US dollar, may pumapasok na silver, 20 US dollar, gold, 40 US dollar, platinum, 60 US dollar, no? Pag jade naman ambassador, 60 US dollar, kikitain mo po yan, no? Dahil ikaw po ang upline. So dito, ang difference po, pinapakita, no? From Black Royal to Blue Royal, $4 ang difference. And so on and so forth. Pababa na po yan. Okay? Panglima, membership residuals po. So dito halimbawa no nakapag-invite ka direct po sa pangalan mo, ikaw mismo ang sponsored. Pag nakapag-invite ka ng 10 to 25 users, meron kang 10% nakikitain. Pag naka-invite minimum po 'yon. Pag naka-invite ka naman ng 26 to 50 users, meron kang 15% nakikitain no from them. Then pag naka-invite ka ng 51 to 100 users, meron kang 20% from their earnings. At the last, pag meron kang 101 users, no, maximum na up, no, 101 and up, so meron kang 25% na kikitain. Okay? So for example, yung ikaw at yung team mo, no, you are working together, kumita yung team mo ng 100 million, so 25% mapupunta sa iyo, bali 2.5 million ang kikitain mo. So ang question, ibabawas ba siya sa pera ng tao? Hindi po. So para po malinaw na yung 25%, 2.5 million pesos mo po, galing po yun sa kumpanya at hindi po yun galing sa kita ng mga tao. Hindi po siya galing sa earnings ng tao. Company po ang magbibigay sa iyo doon sa 25% mo. Okay? Dual team. So, once you started to do this business as a builder, no? Gusto mong magkaroon ng huge team, no? Then you will invite at least one people on your left side and one people on your right side. Okay? And then you will start to earn $2 per day and $60 per month as bronze. 2 directs lang po yun. And you here can earn from $2 up to 15,000 US dollar. What you're going to do, no? Anong gagawin mo? Of course, kailangan mo lang turuan at tutulungan yung mga tao. Number 6, let's talk about the dual team. Sa dual team dito, at least yung mga points mo dito, no, naipon ng naipon, dumami ng dumami, no, kailangan mag-balance yung left side at your right side mo. Pero, ika-calculate lang ng system yon yung daily payout, calculate daily but payout weekly. So, kailangan yung isang platinum dyan, 240 points, no? Ma-maintain niya yan in 1 week, in 7 days. Si Jade naman, kailangan ma-maintain niya na 700 dual team points in 14 days. Kailangan, no? Meron siyang 50% ako kunin sa left, 50% po sa right. So, para magkaroon siya ng earnings sa dual team. Okay? Dual team match naman, ito naman mag-i-start po ito sa Jade rank, Jade Ambassador. So pag Jade ka na po, pang-limang rank po yun, no? Kapag Jade ka na po, then meron ka pong earnings from level 1 to 3. Okay? From Royal and up naman, meron ka namang earnings from level 1 to 10. Okay? Yan po ang maganda sa mga highest ranking. Okay? Highest rank. So dito naman, papaliwanag ko po sa inyo, ito po ay isang beses lang mangyayari. Rank achievement bonus. So, Pag nakapag-invite ka ng 2 taon, magiging bronze package ka na po. Kikita ka po ng $20. The company will give you this amount. Pag naman nakapag-invite ka ng 3 tao, bibigyan ka po ni company ng $50. At kapag nakapag-invite ka naman ng 12 katao, bibigyan ka ng $100. Pag nakapag-invite ka naman ng platinum, bibigyan ka ng $250. Pag Jade naman, ambassador ka na, pang 5 ranko mo, no? Bibigyan ka ngayon ng $500. No, ito po ay isang beses lang. Binibigay lang po siya sa mga tao na nagra-rank up. Okay? So pag-usapan natin si rank achievement, no? Ito po ay magsisimula sa Jade Ambassador. This is you are already now a a part of the Presidential's Club. So pag naging Jade Ambassador ka, bibigyan ka po ng sing-sing. And next other rank, bibigyan ng Rolex. Other rank, bibigyan ng $250,000 US dollar na necklace. Other rank, bibigyan ng mga ring. No, hanggang sa ito po yung highest ranking natin na bibigyan ng 1 million US dollar achiever na po yan. So ang question po dito, what if ayaw ko ng mga gamit na to, gusto ko ng pera, gustong palitan ng pera? Hindi po siya pwedeng palitan ng pera. What you see is what you get. The company have policy already. But of course, we are trying our best na in the future na sana magkaroon po ng incentive yung mga members like mga sasakyan, cars, or even houses. But this decision will be negotiable pa po from the company. Okay? Nasuggest na po namin yan ng ating upline. So dito meron tayong iPay account. Okay? So makikita nyo dito sa iPay account, ito po ay libre. Libre po itong prepaid card na ibibigay po sa atin. So, www dito sa website na to, .mwrlife.globalwallet.com, mag-fill up ka po ng form mo dyan at dyan mo po i-order or i-request yung inyong 2 prepaid card. So meron ka pong debit, Visa, or Mastercard. Okay? So, 2 yan ay mapapasayo po. And this branded USD prepaid card and the Mastercard is coming all the way from United States of America. Okay? So, babasahin po natin, isi-share po natin sa inyo. No? Papakita ko po sa inyo yung ating card. Okay, papakita ko po yung card sa inyo. Okay, where is it? Okay, andito po yan. Okay. Hold on for a second po. And eto po siya. Ayan po. So napansin nyo po, ito pong prepaid card, no? Ito po expected, ano po natin, i-zoom po natin para klaro. Okay, bababa po natin, tataas. So expected delivery times varies by destination country. Prepaid cards are sent from United States of America. And this delivery expected po ninyo dyan so 4 to 6 weeks. Pero sabi, 3 weeks darating na po yan. So hopefully darating na din po yung sa amin para at least maranasan man po namin magkaroon ng card galing po ng Amerika. Okay? And then next, so we also have this, ano yung pagkakaiba ng 2 card mo? Okay, papakita ko po sa inyo. I-zoom po natin. Okay. Okay. I-down ko lang po siya, no? Ayan. So, klaro na po ba? Ayan. So, ano po yung pagkakaiba ng isang Mastercard to debit, no? Yung branded USD prepaid card mo. Anong pagkakaiba nila? Sa daily ATM cash limit, no? Sa Mastercard may $2,500. Sa branded naman, may $1,000 ka. Sa monthly cash limit mo, may $5,000 ka sa Mastercard. Sa debit naman, not applicable. Then sa daily purchase limit, meron ka sa Mastercard $30,000. Sa daily purchase limit naman ng debit, meron kang $2,500. Daily load limit naman ng Mastercard, 10,000 US dollars, same lang po siya sa debit card. And then sa monthly load limit naman ng Mastercard, meron kang 30,000 US dollar. Sa kabila naman, sa branded USA, not applicable. Maximum naman ng card balance, both of them, no, meron siyang 50,000 US dollar. That is like 2,850,000 pesos. Ganyan po kalaki. Okay? Sobrang laki po. Tama? So, ayan po, nag-order na po kami as yung mga member, pwede na po kayong umorder. So, ito po yung libre na makukuha nyo pag naging member po kayo. Timing is everything. Momentum is now. So, pagkakaiba ng market growth, no? Sa Netflix, meron ng 221 million users. Sa Prime, meron 200 million users. Sa Office 365, meron 258 million users. At sa Spotify naman, merong 172 million users. So, currently now, ang MWR Live, meron lang pong 400,000 people user. So, ang tanong dyan, what if naging million user na po si MWR Live? Ibig sabihin, million na rin po yung kikitain ng mga tao. Marami na pong magiging successful dito. Okay? So, ang negosyo po natin ay si MWR Live. Ito po yung ating dashboard at si Travel Advantage naman po, yun po yung kung saan tayo gumagawa ng negosyo. Yung magbo-booking po tayo at saka mag-shopping. MWR Academy Steps to Success, Getting Started Training. You will have training courses, business videos. MWR Academy, an exclusive online campus specifically designed to teach you the mindset, skills, and methods needed to successfully grow and manage your MWR Life business. Log in via mobile or application or business center. So here, since we are doing the digital products, we just use our 100% mobile phone, your laptop, or any gadget as long as you have your internet or data. Okay? So it doesn't matter where you are going. Let's traveling together. Thank you very much. And this is the end of this part of this slides. And I'm gonna share to you another slides also, guys. Here it is. But this is fast. I'm going to do that, okay? Because some of here I already explained to you. So, ito po yung personal message no na galing po sa ating founder, no? A personal message from Uni Asher, founder. Welcome to MWR Life. I'm so excited for you as you begin this new and exciting chapter of your life. In addition to our revolutionary membership, we are passionate about providing our lifestyle ambassadors with the best-in-class opportunity to enrich lives around the world. No matter whether you're new to relationship marketing or an experienced professional, MWR Life's pay plan, tools, and training provide you with everything you need to achieve your goals and dreams. This is your time, so make the most of it and create the life you've always dreamed about. To your success, Uni Ashram. So what a very nice. Thank you, sir, for having this business, and welcome to Philippines. Fast start bonuses, I already explained to you, right? So here you can read it. The fast start bonuses. We're going to read how to do it. Okay. So enroll 2 elite members in your 14 days and earn a 150 US dollar fast start bonus. If you achieve this bonus in your first 7 days, you will qualify for a fast start bonus reset, granting you 7 days from the moment of the reset to enroll 2 additional elite members and receive a 150 US dollar fast start bonus. Upon earning the second bonus, you will qualify for a final reset to enroll 2 more elite members and the ability to earn a third 150 US dollar fast start bonus. Note, plus members are or a combination of plug, plus, and elite will trigger 50 US dollar bonuses. Enrollment are recorded in succession and may not be rearranged. Bonuses are paid 50% upon qualification and 50% upon rebilling on the following month. So your account will be safety here. Okay? So ibig sabihin, no, yung bonuses mo pala dito, no, ang 50% doon, no, bonuses paid upon qualification. Okay? So and 50% upon rebilling on the following month. So yan po. Ito na-explain ko na din po sa inyo. Kaso dito, pinapakita ko po sa inyo yung packages. Okay? Member bonuses. Earn a one-time bonus up to $40 whenever you enroll paying Travel Advantage member. So dito, VIP or VIP 365, no? Pag may nagpa-member po sa inyo na ganyang halaga, so ang kikitain po din po ninyo ay $20 din po. Pag may nagpa-member naman na plus, sa isang tao may kikitain po kayong $30. Pag nakapag-invite ka naman ng Elite, no? May kikitain ka pong $40 at pag nakapag-invite ka naman ng Turbo, may kikitain ka pong $40 also. Ito, na-explain ko na din po sa inyo yung taong na-invite nyo, magkakaroon ka ng percentage. Builder bonus naman, babasahin ko po sa inyo ito. Builder bonus. Okay? Ayan. As you advance in rank, you will earn builder bonus and membership sales made by you personally and by lower rank lifestyle ambassadors in your enrollment team. Builder bonuses are paid to the first qualified lifestyle ambassador in the upline enrollment team based on lifetime rank and paid levels. Roll up to the next rank. Note that the commissions displayed are cumulative and bonuses may vary during promotional periods. Example, if you enrolled an elite member as a platinum, you would earn a $40 member bonus, plus the bronze, silver, gold, and platinum builder bonuses for a total of $100. Okay, so you're going to check here, you're going to earn 40 plus 30, 70 plus 20 is 90 plus 10, $100. Okay, you're going to earn from these people. Okay? So very clear po 'yan. So meaning kikita ka po sa mga downline mo ng amount na ito po. Nakikita nyo po. Pag plus naman kalahati lang po. So mas okay talaga na ang downline po natin kukunin yung Elite at Turbo at mas malaki po talaga yung builder bonus na matatanggap natin. Okay? As an upline. Ito, na-explain ko na po sa inyo. Babasahin po natin. Yung BOSS bonuses, okay? BOSS bonuses are earned every week when new members join your enrollment team, where you are the first gold or platinum rank upline. Earn $600 when new members totaling 36 enrollment team points join your gold rank in a given week. Earn $1,200 when new members totaling 72 enrollment team points join your platinum rank in a given week. 'Di ba sabi ko kapag naka-invite you and your team every week ng 36 or 6 people, meron kang kikitain na $600 kung ang ranko mo ay gold. Pag ang ranko mo naman ay platinum and then you and your team nakapag-invite kayo ng 12 people every week, kikitain po ito ng upline. $1,200 per week po. Okay? Additional details po, babasahin natin. An enrollment team leg may count for up to 50% of the required points. Bonuses calculate and reset every week from Monday to Sunday po. Okay? Bonuses earned on the 1 to 15th day of the month. Pay out on the 30th of the same month. Bonuses earned on the 16th to 31st day of the month. Pay out on the 15th of the following month. If point requirements are met for both levels, you get paid on the higher level. Okay? Next, ito, na-explain ko na po sa inyo. Babasahin din po natin, dual team residuals. Okay? Dual team residuals are the foundation of our residual compensation plan. They have been designed to reward you as you grow in rank and develop as a leader. Dual team residuals are calculated daily based on your current rank qualification. They are posted every Monday and paid Friday for the previous pay week, which consists of Monday through Sunday. Note that a minimum of $100 must be accumulated before dual team residuals will be paid. Please refer to the rank requirements page for complete details on each rank level. So dito ipapakita ko po sa inyo, nakita nyo naman po yung rank po nyo. At saka yung team points nyo, yung daily earnings at yung monthly earnings. So sa bronze po, kapag nakapag-invite ka ng 2 tao, it doesn't matter. Nakapag-invite ka man ng 2 elite or pwede din pong isang elite, isang plus, basta makabuo ka po ng 9 points, no? Magiging bronze ka na po. So, kikitain mo po yan, $2 per day, $60 per month. Okay? So, then you do the duplication. Turuan mo silang mag-invite. Ito naman, nakapag-invite ka ng 3 tao, no? Magiging silver ka, no? Sa 3 elite po yan, okay? Or hindi man elite, basta makabuo ka ng 18 points, no? Meron kang $4 per day, $120 per month. Not bad, right? For gold 12 directs, no? Meron kang $10 per day, $300 per month. So yan po ay nasa 16,800 pesos po yan. Sa platinum naman, no, na 40 directs, meron kang $20 per day, kikitain mo $600 per month. Yun po ay nasa almost 34,000 pesos na po yan. Okay? Yan. Yan, na-explain ko na po sa inyo, no, yung by level. Kailangan start ng Jade Ambassador na rank ko. And then dito po, okay, na-explain ko na po sa inyo rank achievement bonuses. Earn up to 500,000 US dollars to become fully qualified at higher ambassador ranks. Bronze through platinum ranks are paid as earned. Jade and above require that the level be maintained for a period of time. See page 11 for complete details. So, isang beses lang po itibibigay ng company sa inyo. Every time na mag-rank up po kayo. Yan po yung matatanggap nyong pera from the company. Okay? Bibigay ng kumpanya po yan sa inyo. Ito na-explain ko na din po sa inyo. Recognition ng beginning at the Jade Ambassador. No, pang-5 ranko po yan, level. You will join the Presidential Club. So, congratulations at Presidential Club ka na. Plus, you will become eligible to earn specialized pieces of recognition once you become a 100,000 US dollar, 250,000 US dollar, 500,000 US dollar, and $1 million earner. These rewards can be worn with pride and serve as a constant reminder to stay focused on your journey of making your wishes reality. Like dreams are my reality. Okay? That's I already explained to you that what you see is what you get. Here already I showed you, okay, the you're going to do the duplication and maintain your points. You can see as you maintain your points as platinum 240 points, okay, then you will you don't have any period, you just maintain that one. Okay, sorry, and maybe I was wrong on the previous slides. Okay, from platinum again 240 points to maintain no qualification period. So we're going to start in Jade rank. For 700 points, you're going to maintain it 7 days or 1 week. For Pearl, 1,500 points, you're going to maintain it in 14 days. Once you maintain that, then you're going to earn from your rank requirements. Here, okay, read it. Levels bronze to gold are based only on enrollment team points. Levels silver are and higher must maintain 12 personal points or 9 personal points from at least 3 paying members. The max points per leg refers to the maximum point amount that the leg may count towards their rank's total points requirements. Points obtained from external customers will be added to the total DT or dual team and enrollment team point requirements. So here, the last slides, we're going to read one by one in order for you to understand at maintindihan nyo po, no? Definitions po ng member. A member is a Travel Advantage subscriber. Lifestyle ambassador. A lifestyle ambassador, or we call LA, is eligible to receive commissions on personal and team sales by enrolling members. I'm one of it. I am a lifestyle ambassador now. Qualification points, Travel Advantage Elite, 6 points, plus 3 points, and VIP 1 point. Status, to be qualified, to be active, your annual business fee must be current. To be qualified, you must be active with at least 3 personal qualification points. If unqualified, you have 30 days to recover your status and avoid losing accrued commissions. Lifetime rank. The highest dual team residual level achieved and qualified for will be used for recognition and rank achievement bonuses. Current rank, the dual team residual level that you qualify for the end of each day. Enrollment team, your personally sponsored members and LAs, and the lineage that subsequently develops personally sponsored LAs would be on your level 1. The LAs they sponsor would be your level 2, and so on to infinity, regardless of their place, position in the dual team. Dual team consists of the members and LAs in your enrollment team and the LAs placed by your uplines. You have 30 days to place sponsored LAs, after which they will place automatically in the deepest outside position of your lesser team. Placed LAs must be moved once within 72 hours of placement. Commissions, Monday to Sunday, is a pay week. Accrued commissions less than $20 or the stated minimum will be carried over to the next pay week. One-time rank achievement bonuses from bronze to platinum, paid for days from being earned, jade to sapphire, paid the Friday after qualification, diamond ranks paid in 2 payments of the 10th of the month, royal ranks paid in a 4 payments on the 10th of the month, member bonuses, earned daily and paid 4 days later to the enroller, builder bonuses, earned daily and paid 4 days later on member sales made by you or your enrollment team based on current rank. Dual team residual or DTR. DTRs accumulate daily based on that day rank. They are posted every Monday and paid Friday for the previous pay week when this accrued total reaches 100 US dollar. Dual team match or DTM. DTMs are calculated Monday on the DTRs earned during the previous pay week by all lifetime ambassadors on a qualifying level of your enrollment team. This commission is paid on Friday based on your current rank at the end of the week. The information contained in this document is for educational and illustrative purposes and is not a guarantee of income. Even though the MWR Life business opportunity is unlimited, individual results will vary depending on the lifestyle ambassador's skill set, work effort, and commitment level. So, ibig sabihin, depende po yan sa mga tao na nagsisikap na trabahuin po yung mga account po nila. Ganun po dito. Okay? So, ito naman po, isi-share ko din po sa inyo ng mabilisan. Okay? Yung 8 different bonuses na ipakita ko na po sa inyo kanina pa. So, ito po, no, nakita nyo naman po 2013 to 2020, merong 100,000 members. 2021 to 2022, meron pong 300,000 members. At ngayon pong 2023, meron na pong 300,000 members. Okay? Ano po yung vision ni company? Our vision to provide a global opportunity for individuals to design the lifestyle of their dreams, travel the world, and make wishes real every day. MWR Life is an exclusive invitation only travel and lifestyle community. This is our business presentation. Ito na po, pinakita na po natin yan earlier. This is the example of Travel Advantage platform. Compared sa Booking, sobrang mahal po sa Booking, no? Then, in your mobile applications, you will have less management, automated invitations, activity tracking, guest pass sharing, enrollment links. Okay, MWR Life Business Opportunity, everything you need to capitalize on trillions of dollars of industry growth. So, ito po, no, ang mga packages. So makikita nyo po yung travel advantage natin dito, yung membership pricing, no, ng guest, no, additional user wala po. Pagdating ng VIP, no, meron po plus and elite guest passes na, meron naman po sa guest passes ng 10, no, sa VIP 15, ito po ay 3 plus 3, no, per month po yan. Nagdadagdag po ng guest passes para ma-share sa lahat ng tao. Sa plus naman, meron kang 25 guest passes plus 10 every month. Sa elite, meron kang 50 plus 20 every month. So, merong loyalty points lang po, no, sa plus, no, 60 loyalty points every month at sa elite naman po 120 loyalty points every month. Loyalty points usage naman po ay makukuha nyo po yan sa start na elite package po. Okay? So yung guest po, pag hindi ka pa member, guest free lifetime po yan. Okay? Pag VIP ka naman, so meron kang $20 per month and $199 per year. Sa guest, sa plus ka naman, meron kang 59.97 per month at $60 per activation mo po yan. At dito naman sa elite, meron kang $119.97 per month at meron ka pong plus 99 po yung annual fee mo. So ito po yung mga member bonuses, no? So pag nakapag-invite ka ng VIP, may earnings ka na $20. Pag nakapag-invite ng plus, meron kang $30 at sa elite naman $40 po. Okay? Paid daily po yan. Yan, dito pwede kang kumita ng 400,000 US dollar per month or 5.4 million per year. Okay? Yan po. So dito ipapakita po natin yung gold, no? Dito po kailangan ma-invite kang 12 directs, no? Sa 6 sa kaliwa mo at 6 sa kanan. No, yan po yung gold ni rank. Kikita ka po ng $300 per month. Sa platinum naman, $600 per month, kailangan meron ka pong 40 directs. 20 direct sa kaliwa, 20 direct sa kanan. Okay? So ito na po. Yung kikitain nyo po dito as sa 6 invites, no? Um, kikitain mo pag na-hit mo po yung 6 invites in 21 days, ang kikitain nyo po ay $940. Magkano po yan sa peso ang $940? Ang kikitain po ng leader ay nasa 53,000. Wait lang po, sorry. 940 times. So, ang kikitain mo po 53,580 pesos US dollar. Pag nakaya nyo pong gawin yon. Okay, ito po, 940, nakita nyo po yan? Yan. So, paano nga ba kunin yung 940? Ang akala mo, 150, 150, 150, 450. Ito pa po yung kikitain mo. Member bonus, dahil nga ikaw nag-invite sa mga taong yan, 6, meron kang $40 times 6, no? Meron kang 240. And rank and builder, naging silver ka, meron kang 1760. So, meron kang $130. Dual team residual naman, kikita ka ng $120. So a total of $940. That is why your earning will be 53,580 pesos pag na-hit nyo po yung 21 days na challenge na makapag-invite ng 6 na tao. 2 tao every week po yan, ha? So ito na po yun, yung mga pinakita po na achievement clubs recognition for business milestones. Okay, ito na po yung mga presidentials club, no? Jade Ambassador, meron tayong 100K club, no? 100,000 annual earnings, meron 250,000 club for 250,000 annual earnings, no? Meron tayong Roller Club and Rolex Club for 500,000 or 500,000 annual earnings. Okay? Here, no, our new business, our new members model, Travel Advantage membership, invitation only travel and lifestyle community. We reward members who invite new members to join. Okay, and members pay wholesale. Members save and everybody wins. Here. So ito po yung pagkakaiba ng Travel Advantage na compared to booking.com. Okay, yan nakikita nyo po yung discounts dito. No, nakita nyo po ang discount 2,000 na lang po, dito po 4,000 pa rin. Grabe, ganyan po siya kalaki. Okay, ito po yung mga ano. Kikita nyo po, ito po yung account ng Travel Advantage by using the mobile phone. Nakikita nyo po 'yan. Okay, ayan po yung example niya. Okay? Yan po siya. So dito na po, kita nyo po, no, meron tayong other withdrawal options. Meron tayong request check, Bitcoin, gift card, bank account, wire profile, and order a prepaid card here. We have our card. So ito po yung itsura ng card natin, okay, yung matatanggap natin. So ito po yung business account natin. So here, you have your travel credits. Yung travel credits, no, earned on every booking you make, never expire for you to use on any future reservation. Use like cash toward bookings with no limit. So the comparison of the, yeah. Okay, you can see here the earnings. 8 ways of earnings, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay, I already showed you all of that. Okay, that's it, guys, no? So as you can see that people here, the members are really eager to do the business right now. Like me, when when my upline shared this great opportunity to me, guys, I'm so excited to do the business. And here, you know, I'm going to show you this one. We also have the okay, we have also for the update, no, this coming next year for the Milan and Italy. This is sold out already, that we have our event and in Milan, Italy, sold out for the members. Okay, then after that, they are going to have a trip in Dubai. No, as you can see here, they will have private flight from Milan to Dubai for the VIP of the members, Presidential Club, or whoever wants to go. Hotel stay at the Trip by Wyndham Dubai, breakfast included, safari with 4x4 adventure, buffet dinner and dessert, mega yacht VIP party, Elevation 2024 VIP ticket. Okay? So that will be this coming April 15 to 18. You will have luxury hotel, private transfer, dessert 4x4 safari, dessert dinner experience, mega yacht dinner party, private Airbus flight. So this total cost of 998 US dollar for that few days stay. And then you can pay this for the staggered payment. Okay, you can pay first payment now you can pay 249 US dollar for going to Dubai, and then second payment will be on December 449 US dollar sorry, a euro. So again, for first payment, it's almost the same with US dollar anyway. 249 euro. Second payment on December, 449 euro. And third payment on February next year, 449 payment. And you can join the Dubai trip of the leaders. Okay, guys. And then we have also the participate to do the contest, no? That you can possible win 20,000 travel credits and 100 US dollar life experience credit. So I'm gonna tell you that the 100 travel credits is equivalent to 1 US dollar. So if you're going to win, these are the people who participate the contest, but the person who won the prize is the last one, Tidhani, then the Jol. It's already posted in the official page, no? Official page ng Facebook, no, for the lifestyle ambassador testimonials. So they participate, they post their videos, and then they win every month. The company will choose who will win for their experiences. Okay? Okay, guys, that's the end of my business presentation. Yun na po yung pagtatapos ng aking presentation. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig nyo sa pagbabahagi ko ng ating negosyo. Kung meron pa po kayong katanungan, wag po kayong mahiyang magtanong. Andyan po yung aking Facebook, no, Babylin Lopez Gonzales, or pwede nyo po akong kontakin, no, sa aking any social account na talagang kapag nalaman nyo po yung pangalan ko, para at least matulungan ko po kayo sa negosyong ito, no? Or balikan niyo po yung tao na nag-invite sa inyo dahil sa pagpapanood niyo po ng video na ito, naintindihan niyo po yung negosyo. Na ito na po yung mga pangarap ninyo sa buhay, no, na kumita ng malaki dito, na hindi po kayo mahihirapan kundi gamitin lang yung platform niyo. At the same time, no, yung pangarap niyo na pag kumita po kayo dito, maikot nyo man lang po yung pamilya, no, mai-travel nyo sa buong Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa. Okay? So yan po ang pangarap ko dito kung kaya ay tinatrabaho ko po si MWR Life. Pangarap ko po kasi iikot ang aking anak, my one and only son na si Dave, at yung magulang ko po, at of course yung kapatid ko, pamangkin ko, at yung mga pamilya pa at sino pa na kaya ko pong dalhin. So paalala lang po, pag naging elite ka po, pwede ka pong magdala ng at least 4 na tao. Okay? Sa pag-book mo sa account mo. Yun po yung maganda sa negosyong ito. Pwede ka pong magdala ng pamilya mo by using your account. Doon ka po magbo-book. Isusulat nyo lang po yung pangalan ng pamilya mo doon, kung ano yung nakalagay sa ID, para at least pag nag-flight po kayo, yun din po yung nakalagay doon. At dito po magkakaroon ka ng malaking savings, at in the future po matatravel mo po yung buong mundo. Okay? And meron pa pong another update nga po pala soon, no? Wala pong pinapromise yung company, pero magkakaroon po tayo ng health insurance, no? Sa kumpanyang ito, kasi nga po tayo po ay isang traveler. Yun po ang negosyo natin. At isa pa po ay magkakaroon din po tayo ng e-visa, most especially sa mga tao dito sa Pilipinas, mga leaders na sabi nila kailangan ng Schengen visa when you go to Europe, na mahirapan ka. So wala na pong ipagbahala. You don't need to worry about it. Kasi ang company na po ang magpa-process ng visa ng mga leaders from Africa, from Philippines. So sila na po ang bahala dyan sa pagpasok sa Europe countries. At ma-meet po natin yung mga top leaders doon. at yung ating pong opisina. Okay, maraming maraming salamat po no sa pakikinig ninyo at sana po ay may natutunan kayo at naintindihan niyo po yung negosyong ito. At sa susunod po na ating abangan niyo po yung susunod na pag-share ko ng negosyong ito. Maraming maraming salamat po sa ating lahat. Okay? And God bless po sa lahat. Okay? So, yun na po at tatapusin ko na po yung aking business presentation. God bless us all po.